Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Bitcoin fall 0.8% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The gold got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 2.6% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Oil prices rose more than 2% at the end of last week as Russia announced plans to reduce oil production next month after the West imposed price caps on the country's crude and fuel. Germany's conservative CDU party was on course for a clear victory in a repeat election in Berlin, in a blow to Chancellor Olaf Scholz's Social Democrats, who have governed the city-state for 22 years. The European Union has suggested that India liberalise its capital account restrictions as part of a comprehensive free trade agreement being discussed with New Delhi, according to the text of the latest negotiations.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 16:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 16:30 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's gross domestic product will be released at 23:50 GMT. Japan's gross domestic product annualized at 23:50 GMT. Singapore's gross domestic product at 0000 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.